Endurance Technologies. Loction, Irungakattukottai, and Vallam SIPCOT, Chennai. Gender, male-female. Age limit, 18 to 28. Pass out 2020 to 2025. Salary, 20,000 to 22,000. Overtime. Qualifications. Only Diploma B. Trainee to Performance based on role. CNC machine operator. Production. Quality. Maintenance. Assembly. Freshers experience. Male, moon to shift. Female 1 cent, second shift. Shift time food provide. Cab route, Poonamalle, Kanchipuram, Baluchttei Chatram, Sunguvarchatiram, Sriperumbudur, Oragadam, walajapath. Contact 8807766921